Hi, myself Manpreet Kaur. Me and my teammates Davinder Kaur and Maninder Kaur are going to give presentation on ITSM, that is Information Technology Service Management. First of all, introduction. The ITSM delivers IT services to meet the requirement of an organization. It is done by prioritizing the needs of customers by planning and implementing the strategies required to resolve the IT issues. Next is purpose of study. The main aim of the study is to understand that what service management is meant for and it is applied in practice. And the next is providing best results by evaluating risks and cost. This approach aims to achieve the desired outcome as planned by organization by providing services that consume less time and cost. Next is understanding what service management means and how it is applied in practice. The first one is utilization of IT services to get maximum benefit. In this, the service management information technology is utilized to achieve desired outcome for the organization by working with internal and external service providers. The second point is to improve quality of services. In this, the IT services management sets certain standards according to which the services are provided to the customers in order to improve their quality. And the last point is analysis and resolving of issues. In this, the services management is required to analyze the IT issues and acquire business growth. It is required to adopt the approaches for designing, monitoring, and delivering the products as well as the services at right time, and that should be the free of error. The next continuation part of the same slide is information security management consists of five components. The first one is control. In control, a framework is introduced to prepare and maintain information security policy. And the second one is planning. In the second step, the requirements to maintain the privacy of data are planned. And the next is implementation. Following the planning phase, the strategies are put into action to safeguard the information. That next is evaluate. The evaluation is done to know that either the desired outcomes has been achieved or the not. The last one is maintain. In the last phase of maintenance, the assessment is done at regular intervals to know about the opportunities to make the security system better.
Now I will proceed with the evaluation of practical case with respect to service management best practices. Firstly, using APT tools and techniques of IT sector, ITSM best practices provides best services to the clients. We have evaluated the Wipro, which is a multinational company providing the IT solutions. It utilizes the information technology infrastructure library framework to deliver the best practices. So the question is, what are practices? The best practices include incident management, proper problems management, change management, and continuity management. So these are the things we need to take into account while covering the ITSM best service management. Next slide. Over here, we will discuss that Wipro provides the best practices by constantly watching the performance of the employees. It is done through feedback system as Zendex is a software that is used by Wipro to manage the requirements of clients. The requirements can be time management, coordination, staff retention, and many more things like that. So Zendex has been used by almost 40,000 organizations like Uber, Facebook, and Twitter. So it has a multi-performance system which has improved the performance of Wipro overall. In the next slide, we will discuss that the framework is planned by the management. In that framework, what does that framework means? That delivering the service to the clients by following the proper framework. Then development of strategy by management or the and the employees are also included in the decision making process. This means that the employees are provided with the proper training, and that training gives them the decision making capability for their future goals. Next is that designs the structure in the way that set of employees looks after each function carefully. It shows that software training regarding the Zendex is given to the employees, and through that they can learn how to operate the system properly. Delivering the service is made possible with the implementation of Zendex. As earlier also we discussed that there are several benefits of using the Zendex. So it is a very efficient system in doing so. Next is operation is managed by HR manager and the departmental hearing. So the HR manager can seek the decision that what to do when they need to make the decisions regarding the Wipro like IT solutions. So this is all about my topic.
How the services create business value in a practical case. Creating business value is an important concept and issue in service management over the years. Wipro has set forth an example by creating value with the help of Zendex. Zendex is a software tool that has been installed in the system to serve the clients in the best possible manner, but efforts have been also given upon the training of the employees to create the actual value. Employees in Wipro are trained to strictly adhere to the business policies and terms and conditions. This helps in building good relationship with the client as well. Employees are made to give opinions and feedbacks while the management takes decision of implementing a new plan or business model. Wipro has learned earned revenue of about 84.7 billion billion dollar with the installation of Zendex in business operations. Moving to the next slide. Understand how the service management could be developed and enhanced in practice. Continual service improvement is regarded as a phase of total life cycle, and it is documented effective only in cases of integration throughout the life cycle. The creation of a culture of continuous improvement. It must be ensured that every participant taking part in service delivery understand that the identification of opportunities for improvement is a key responsibility of every individual. A formal as well as proactive and continuous service improvement practice is essential. It is required to meet the level and at the same time at achievement achieve the levels of agreement. At last, by concluding everything, Zendex has been a tool that has been adding sugar to the efforts of the employees of Wipro in gaining profit and good market provision. Business values can be created when the services are offered to the client in the best possible manner. That's all the presentation. These are the references where we get the information. Thanks for listening.